In Florida, officers responded to a Dollar General where a new cashier had been stealing from her employer, using 3 separate methods, totaling over $1,100, in just a few days on the job. Loss prevention representative Frank explained the scheme. She kept her phone hidden below the register, scanning her Cash App to load funds directly into her personal account, while the register showed the transaction as paid. The cash drawer received nothing. She also activated a $75 PlayStation gift card without payment and canceled a $3 to $100 transaction to let an associate walk out with unpaid merchandise. Under Florida Statute 812.014, combined losses exceeding $750 constitute felony grand theft. The threshold here was clear.
Give her opportunity, she'll be a student. Excuse me. Excuse me. So it was just her counting, her counting the money and then taking a little bit at a time, or?
It was like a multiple kind of.
Hey, how you doing, Jason?
Yeah, you doing?
I'm Frank from Loss Prevention.
Hey, Frank.
We have an employee, what she was doing was scanning her phone, her Cash App on her phone, and entering, close the door. Yeah. And entering funds. She also took a PlayStation gift card, loaded it, but she was never putting money in the register. So she loaded $775. And then she also, on this day, this is all the cash. And then on this day, she let this customer walk out with $300 worth of merchandise. That's her right there.
Damn. She here now? Or?
Yeah, she's right there.
She just walked out.
Okay.
So everything's on here and everything's on video for you. Here you go. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Might as well call her in.
So
Come in. She's been cooperative. She wasn't.
Yeah.
She hasn't been.
I got you.
But Dollar General wants to prosecute. So.
Yeah. No problem. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I see it. All right.
So it'll be $300 because she on the sale. On this sale. You see where it says aborted? She canceled the sale. So $300 worth of merchandise just went out. Nothing was paid for.
Yeah,
Zero.
a cart and like a laundry
And then these 1, 2, 3, and 4, she was never putting money in the register, but she was loading up her Cash App.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Damn.
You want to get it, Nick?
Yeah.
Stupid.
I think they get. What happens is we end up with a cash shortage. So we end up with a cash shortage. Okay, what happened to the cash? It just doesn't walk. So we start going for it. And the first thing I tell them is look for gift cards. Look for gift cards. Look for Cash App. Sure enough, she had her phone down below the register, so she would pick it up, hit it, and then enter the number, whatever she wanted.
Gotcha.
But no money
So,
would ever go in the register.
Is that what she did on multiple transactions, and then the one time she let somebody walk out with
Right,
$300?
right.
Okay.
Except everything was Cash App except this, which was the
one sale.
The Sony. That's a PlayStation gift card.
Okay, for $75.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
she wanted some money for her PlayStation.
Gotcha. She just straight up took that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So loaded it and then pretty much took it.
And on video, they go in order.
Gotcha.
Oh, wait. 1520.
She's coming in, right?
Yeah, I hope so. She was right outside. I just saw her by the door. He went to go get her. I don't know where she went.
And then okay, so these
She
are
lives
different
right around
dates.
the corner.
314, 33, and then 314. Okay. And these were all on the same date, or?
No, this one was on 3/23.
Local 16 and 10 11.
So, want me to highlight the dates for you?
Yeah, that's the first time I've ever seen it like this.
I printed them out.
Gotcha.
Let me see. So the date on this one, right here. 3/13, 3/14, 3/14, and
I see that one,
3/14.
314. Gotcha.
And then this one was on
323.
3/23.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
Well, she's coming back, but I don't see her now. Let me see if she's there. Oh, she's right here.
Oh, man.
I'll move out of the way. Too many people, Nick. We gotta step out.
15 to 5 1.
We gotta step out.
5
What's up, girl?
1. You're done there.
What you done got yourself into? Huh? Well, you know, that's not my, not my call, you know? I mean, you own up to some things, you have a conversation with them, you know? That's totally up to them.
Before questioning, the officer delivered a complete Miranda warning required under Miranda versus Arizona before any custodial interrogation. He read each right individually and confirmed understanding at every step. The subject acknowledged all 4 rights and chose to speak freely. Under Berghuis v. Thompkins, that voluntary choice is a valid waiver. The subject admitted to the Cash App transactions, the gift card, and the walkout incident, each matching a documented transaction. The officer was honest about the charges without making promises, preserving the voluntariness of her statements under the Fifth Amendment.
For the lawyer, you're entitled to the presence and reputation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during any question. You understand?
Yes.
All right. If any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you have the privilege to remain silent. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. If I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement, this will be your own free will. You understand?
Yes.
Any statement can and will be used against you in a court of law. You understand?
Yes.
All right. So what's going on? Well, they gave me a list of these transactions. All right.
Yeah, I told him I paid back. I told him what I admitted to some things. He said that he would talk to you about maybe if you can give me a court date or something.
What? I mean, did you need money or were you? What was going on?
I let the dude walk out with a lot of stuff, and then I did cash.
Yeah, you told me about that. I think it was like $300-something, right? Or something.
And then cash up.
Okay. What happened with the cash app? Can you walk me through that?
I did like $200.
200. And how many separate transactions you do?
What you mean?
Like did you use? Because there's a couple different ones. There's a green dot. There's a spin well.
Oh yeah, for spin, you got to take my back. Spin was at 200.
Okay, and then you did the green dot. And then what's this?
What is that?
Valid direct. There's another transaction for like $200 on the 14.
Okay, that's on the cash app.
Cash app. And how does that work? Like with, I'm not familiar with Cash App app. So is it just an app you scan the card and then it goes
It's
in?
an app.
Okay, and it just goes on your phone. So you would just
Yeah, 3210
you would just load it with however much you want it, and then you just scan it and then go into your account. Okay. And then as far as the different times where you let the person walk out, did you know the person or how did that work out?
No, I don't know. I just use a friend, like, just whenever you get parked and stuff.
Oh, gotcha. So they just ring up a bunch of stuff, and then how does it work? They just walk out, or?
They just ring some stuff up and walk out.
Okay, so
But the other one was trying to, like, there was a boy that knew me, and he was getting some stuff, and I said no, and then he still.
Okay. All right. And that was on one occasion, right? Okay. Did you know at any point that what you were doing was wrong? I mean, did you think about it, or?
Yeah, that's why I put it. That's why I stopped it.
Gotcha. This is your job, bro. I mean, it's how you make your money, you know. That Cash App scam, that's temporary, that 200. Then that's gonna obviously you're gonna hold it over your head that one day, damn, they might catch me. Ain't nothing like a steady paycheck when you getting your money the right way.
What do you think they're gonna do with that? I don't have my record or nothing.
Let me ask him. I think the other guy was the. Let me see.
She was cooperating. She wrote a statement as well.
Yeah, she gave me everything.
4 Northwest 5th Street.
She
Your uncle's out there too.
she admitted to everything.
What uncle?
Your uncle? I don't know. You said she was your uncle.
Yeah. So this is the way it works, all right? And it's totally in their hands, but they're wanting to file charges. Okay, because of the amount, all right, it would be considered grand theft. All right, and it's a felony, so you'd have to be taken in. So
204 with injuries, Gateway in Congress, northbound lane.
you
36-year-old female, pregnant, wants to be checked out.
would have to be obviously taken to the county jail and arraigned and stuff like that, only because of the amount. Okay.
White, another
So
white
at this point,
So I'll be, would I get a bond tomorrow or go to court tomorrow?
I don't know. I don't really know how the bonds and stuff work. You know, sometimes you may get out on OR. Sometimes you might have to go see a judge the next day. I'm not sure. I mean, you don't really have a record. So, I mean, you may be able to just bond out today.
Tonight?
Yeah. So,
I hope so. I'm not trying to be in
She's never been.
And I
She's not has no prior, so it'll probably be withheld and just pay restitution and go to
And my grandma said she'll do it.
the program. So you'll be you'll be okay.
Just the book process.
Yeah, I just don't like the book.
yeah. So, all right.
Unfortunately, that's what my
I got
boss
you.
said, so I can't go against him.
I got all your information. You got the card and everything.
No, I don't. I'll give it to you.
Just put
Yeah, I'll write it on.
well, actually, put on a blank piece of paper.
Do I have to go down to the police station and take time?
Yeah, that's where we process and do everything at. Yeah.
Let me make a copy of this for you.
No problem.
And then I'll write that.
Okay.
You get to relax for a second.
I was trying to see which uncle out there. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not running.
Short one?
You're already
We got 2 of them.
We'll do it on the way out. Yeah, we'll do it on the way out. Is he still out there?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll holler at him when we go out there. I got you.
That's for you too.
Thank you, sir.
All right, so let me. All I know is you was wearing red Crocs.
No, black.
No, red.
Red.
Yeah.
I don't have
Hey, you know what?
He was wearing red Crocs.
You know what? Yeah. I thought one of y'all was coming. I don't know. You right there? Okay. I know you had called me.
Oh, my phone.
I was hoping it was going to be you. So make this easy.
I was hoping it wasn't you. I didn't even know. I didn't know this call was
Use this
here.
address.
Yes, sir. No problem. Let's see. We got everything else. We got the receipts in here.
That's your receipt. The one I gave you.
I don't think I got it. I think you had underlined everything. Oh, it's probably right here. There we go. All right. Want me to handcuff you out there, or?
Alright, they're by the car.
All right. I'm trying to take off now. I run fast as hell. All right. I don't want to embarrass you and stuff like that.
You wanted out to take it?
Yeah, you don't. I'm
Okay.
gonna but
Oh, just leave it here? She said just leave it here. Well, call me. I can pick you.
You say your uncle out here?
You got my number, right?
I got it right here. Some paper.
You say your uncle's out here?
My grandma. They might let me out.
Yeah, but also you got to realize they might be, if you're going to run the horse, you're going to fast, you don't get like, well, we're not going to. All right, so call me.
Easy. Charlie Alpha Oscar, 22 Alpha 8. Yield.
What's up, bro? You been all right, man? You all right?
You
gonna be all right.
As long as I can get out.
Huh?
I'm gonna get out
Tomorrow?
Right.
I doubt you'll be in that how long, you know?
Yeah.
I highly doubt it.
Just hurry up in here.
I know everybody being nosy and stuff, you see that? That's when everybody want to walk their dogs and come outside. And... Listen, just learn from this mistake, all right?
Nico, I still here?
You're still here? Y'all can't put in the chance program? That's good right there? Y'all can't put in the chance program?
I don't know.
That's what he said. He said he's gonna work something.
Okay.
We'll just check your pockets, all right?
I'm not gonna terminate you.
I gotta work
I'm gonna do whatever.
Where?
this is
tell
a
me
phone
to.
number, just a phone.
Okay.
Alright, I'll see you.
Alright.
Oh, I'm gonna move my shirt.
What should have happened differently? At the moment Miranda was read, 3 words would have stopped the interrogation entirely. I want a lawyer. Under Edwards v. Arizona, questioning must cease upon that invocation. Instead, she produced on-camera admissions that corroborated every count against her without counsel present. The subject was charged with felony grand theft and sentenced to 2 years probation, no incarceration. A first offense disposition consistent with Florida Statute 948.01. Her cooperation throughout the encounter was likely a mitigating factor. The officer receives an A-. His Miranda advisement was textbook complete, sequenced, individually confirmed. No threats, no promises, no constitutional violations. His professionalism throughout set the standard for how a non-confrontational felony arrest should be conducted. The subject receives a C+. Her compliance and cooperation were genuine positives that contributed to a favorable sentence. But speaking freely without counsel, after a complete Miranda warning, was the central legal error of this encounter. Lessons from this case. First, point-of-sale fraud is never invisible. Every transaction leaves a digital trail. Loss prevention doesn't need to catch you in the act. The data finds the pattern before you expect it. Second, the right to remain silent exists to be used, not because you are guilty, but because no statement can help you more than advice from an attorney. If arrested, say 2 sentences. I want a lawyer, and I won't answer questions until I have one. Then stop. Third, cooperation and confession are not the same thing. Cooperating with the arrest process is smart and carries legal weight. Confessing in detail without counsel hands the prosecutor exactly what they need in your own words on camera. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Justice on Cam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.